ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈరోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So today I will go to discuss salts, common salts. So salts are formed by common salts. Salts are formed by reaction between acids and base. Salts are electrically neutral. So salts are formed by reaction between acid and base. It produce salt and water. Salts are electrically neutral. So salts are electrically neutral. So salts are classified into different types. For example, NaCl and Na2SO4. So NaCl name sodium chloride, Na2SO4 name sodium sulfate. SO4 means sulfate, sodium sulfate. So these two are the sodium family salts. NaCl and KCl, these two are the chlorine family salts. Why? Because their common is chlorine. Here sodium, cation is here sodium, here potassium, but chlorine is common. In these two compounds here sodium is common, that's why it is called sodium family salt. Here sodium and potassium both are different, but anion is same, chloride, that's why it is called chlorine family.
Hello students, myself is Sanjay Kumar Singh and I did my BE from Birla Institute of Technology, Misra, and I am having 18 years experience of teaching. Now I am associated with KVC classes. Now here the advantage which you people are going to get, that there is a technical pool of faculty, mostly from IITs. So this is one of the biggest enabler for achieving your success. The second best thing is that doubt classes and all, they are conducted in the presence of faculties. So third is that your entire curriculum, timing of teachings, all is being monitored by ITians and NITians. So come here and join us. Thanks.
Salt, chlorine family salts. So salts are generally prepared by reaction between acid and base. So sodium hydroxide from common salt. Common salt means sodium chloride. Common salt name sodium chloride. So NaOH base is prepared from common salt, sodium chloride. So sodium hydroxide is obtained by electrolysis of brain solution. Electrolysis of brain solution. Electrolysis of brain solution. Brain solution means sodium chloride dissolved in water, that is called brain solution. NaCl solution we call it brain solution. Sodium hydroxide is the base. It is prepared from common salt, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. So NaOH is prepared by electrolysis of brain solution. Brain solution means sodium chloride solution. Sodium chloride solution. Here sodium is liberated at cathode. Chlorine is liberated at anode. Chlorine is liberated at anode. So during this electrolysis, mercury is used as cathode. Mercury is used as cathode and graphite rod or carbon rod is used as anode. Carbon rod is used as anode. So in this process we are using mercury as a cathode. That's why it is called mercury cathode method. Mercury cathode method. Mercury cathode method. So sodium hydroxide is prepared by electrolysis of brain solution. Brain solution means sodium chloride solution. So in this process we are using mercury as a cathode, carbon rod as a anode. Sodium metal is discharged at cathode, chlorine gas is liberated at anode. So in this process we are using mercury as a cathode. That's why this method is also called mercury cathode method. Mercury cathode method. Mercury cathode method. So cell reactions are ionization reaction, NaCl, this is brine solution. Saturated sodium chloride solution is called brine solution. NaCl, it gives Na plus and 2Cl minus. This is ionization reaction. Ionization reaction. Sodium chloride is ionization into Na plus ions as well as Cl minus ions. Next, cathode reaction is, cathode means mercury. So in this process we are using mercury as a cathode. Mercury as a cathode. So Na plus gain electron in mercury cathode, it gives sodium amalgam, NaHG. This compound name is sodium amalgam. Amalgam means mercury. Amalgam. Sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam, NaHG. So sodium metal is discharged as cathode, it gives sodium amalgam. Anode reaction is, here ionization reaction Cl minus ion is formed, it gives Cl2 plus 2 electrons. Cl2 plus 2 electrons. Here losing of electrons is there, that's why it is called oxidation process. Oxidation process. Here sodium ion gain electron, it gives sodium amalgam. This process is called reduction process. Losing of electrons is called oxidation, gaining of electrons is called reduction process. Reduction process. So ionization of sodium chloride, it gives Na plus and Cl minus ions. In the cathode, sodium gain 1 electron, it mercury electrode, it gives sodium amalgam. It is reduction reaction. Why? Because it is gaining of electron. Here anode, Cl minus ion, chloride ion lose electron, that's why it is called oxidation. Losing of electrons we call it oxidation process. Oxidation process. The total reaction is 2NaHG plus 2H2O, it gives 2NaOH plus 2Hg plus 2 NaOH, 2 Hg plus H2, hydrogen gas. This NaOH is called sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide compound prepared from electrolysis of brain solution, sodium chloride solution. So this is NaOH from common salt, sodium chloride. NaOH from common salt. Next, coming to this is the preparation. NaOH prepared from common salt by using electrolysis of brain solution. In this process, we are using mercury as a cathode, carbon is a anode. That's why it is called mercury cathode method. This is the cell reactions. Ionization reaction, cathode means mercury. Anode means that is carbon rod. It liberates chlorine gas. This sodium amalgam is dissolved in water. It gives sodium hydroxide, mercury and dihydrogen gas. So this is the preparation of NaOH from common salt, sodium chloride, common salt. This process is mercury cathode method. It is also called Kastner-Kellner process. Mercury cathode method or Kastner-Kellner process. So this is NaOH from common salt. Next, uses of NaOH. Uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide generally used to manufacturing of glass, borax. Next, NaOH is used to purification of bauxite. Bauxite is the ore. It is the important ore of aluminium. Bauxite formula Al2O3 2H2O. It is used to purification of bauxite. Next, third one, preparation of fats and oils. Preparation of fats and oils. Preparation of fats and oils.